Good morning, everyone, respected school director, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak a few words on the festival of Eid. Eid is one of the most joyous festivals celebrated by our Muslim brothers and sisters all over the world. There are two Eids, Eid ul-Fitr, which mark the end of the holy month of Ramadan, and Eid ul-Adha, the festival of sacrifice. Eid teaches us the beautiful values of sharing, charity, gratitude, and brotherhood. On this day, people wear new clothes, often pray together, hug each other, share sweets like sevaiya, and help the needy. It reminds us that true happiness lies in the sharing happiness with others. Let us all celebrate the spirit of Eid by spreading love, kindness, and unity. I would like to conclude with a quote. Let this Eid be the occasion of sharing, love, and caring for those who need to be loved and cared for. Eid Mubarak to all. Thank you.